guys, welcome back. We are doing our Christmas, well, our December playlist, at least the start of it anyway. And I wanted to show you my cart. I actually lifted it up and put it on top of my desk because I couldn't get the thing right to look at it. So this is not nearly as full as my Halloween one. So this will be easier. I'm not going to take everything off. I'll just explain what's in here. I'm going to lock the wheels so they don't fly off. On the ends here, I have two buckets. They have ribbons and just ribbons in here and laces, a little bit of laces. On the side here, some seam binding. I hang that out here. The top has stickers, my foam board, my foam pieces. That's up here. Some ephemera is in the envelope, some stickers, my Christmas bags, decorating with. I got a bunch of different ones of those. Now in my December daily, I do add Thanksgiving in mine. So I do have some Thanksgiving like stickers and stuff in here. There's some like stamp things. They just have pictures of little doggies and stuff like that. So if I do a little picture, I want that on there. So there's some stickers there. That's all I have for that. That's it. And then I have, I'm trying to get you up higher so you can see. I have washi tape right here and right here. I have my glue glitter stuff in this little thing right here. I don't know if you can see it right here. And this one next to my washi tape is my little strings, like strings, you know, like these kind of things are in here. Some little ribbons, decorative ribbons, and I have more ribbons over on my ribbon shelf thing. I have a bunch more over there if I need them. I have two more of these up top here. This one has like little pieces like jingle bells and little, it's just got a variety of this kind of stuff in it, you know, little add-on type doohickeys stuff. I got this last year and used a couple of them. In some brads, you know, right here. In this box, on this one over here, I have some pair of scissors, my Christmas pencils. I have some pre-cut tags, some other miscellaneous, like my bow, the cutout to make paper bows. Let's see what the other one is. Okay. Here's the other one right there. Okay. So you make this part and this part and this part, and then this folds over, and they fold in like that, and then it goes. This goes on whatever. Well, it's my template for that. I don't want to forget. I have to pick this up. Okay, so I have that in there. Some of that little stuff in there. The second shelf. I don't have a lot of what are these called? I call them stamps. They're not stamps. They're punches. I only have a few that are Christmas, so they stay in this cart because I only use them this time of year. I do have some teeny tiny ones. I think Ariel has them up in her stuff. But I have some teeny tiny ones. These are my snowflake one, so I can make snowflakes if I want. My reindeer one. I have two snowflake ones. One's small, one's big. A tree, and then this one cuts out a bunch of little ones, so you can make holly if you want. kind of dusty and sitting on the floor. So I have those in here. I have another one of these buckets, but it's little. Right here. This has my Christmas lights, you know, those battery powered ones. My battery powered ones. And it has some zip tie, green zip ties in there. That's what's in there. I have a roll of this party paper, whatever, the stuff. I have a roll of that. I was gonna get some more pom-poms. I thought I did when I went to Dollar Tree, but I must have decided against it. I've had these pom-poms since Ariel was little. She's finally used them up. So I need to get some more pom-poms. I have a whole bag full of these. They're little candy canes. And I always do a candy cane page in my December daily. So I'm not done with those yet. Those will probably last me a lifetime. I don't know. And then I have my stamps and my, oh, I only have one of these. This is my numbers. And I thought it was going to cut them out. It doesn't. It just makes the page right. You know, it's just one of those things. So I got that to use in my Big Shot. I have a bunch of, my bottom one, I have a bunch of Chanel stems. I only had like 3 red ones left. So I know I needed red. And I got green. So there's those. I got some packaging red, that crinkle paper stuff. I have 2 things of red straws. I haven't found other Christmas ones. I just found these red ones that I make the, oh, what are they called? Those, rosettes. Yeah. Wands. Take a Christmas wand. I usually make some of those for my December daily. And then I usually grab all the pencils they have at Dollar Tree. And I've had these ones for a while. It's time to give some of these out to people. But I have a variety of pencils. Christmas pencils. So, that's it for my cart. It's way neater. It's way more organized than my Halloween one. My Halloween one, I probably need a bigger cart, wider cart, or 2 of these for just Halloween. You'd think it would be for Christmas, but it's not. So, there we go. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe, and give it a thumbs up, and come back and see what else is going on, and we will see you again soon. Bye now.